Good afternoon, everyone. Coming at you from the frozen north here in Canada, rural Newfoundland. And we're going to just do a quick video of something I just figured out this morning. I'm setting up a new MX. Let me just jump out of here and get into the important stuff. Here's the Linux. So I just installed MX Linux. So I set that up. And what I found was on my other Linux, I use Jeff and PETA, which are two plugins used for exploit development. I'm sure you've seen them all in my videos. The pain in the ass thing was I used to have to go into the init file and switch it out every time I wanted to change from Jeff to PETA. So I was looking at ways like to build like a wrapper around that or something, but it's already built. So I'll put this in the description as well. But it's just a git clone here. And once you install it, I'll show you. Um, so instead of having to switch the init file around, all I have to do now is type in gdb-peda and boom, PETA opens up. So let's just quit out of that. And if I type in gdb Jeff, which is the other one I use quite a bit, boom, it sets up like that. So I'll put this in the description below. Or in the messages. So just a quick little, a quick little video just to show you the cool new wrapper I figured out. So I'm working on a video today, just some basics of stack, fun variables on the stack. So I'm going to put that out maybe tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all soon. Bye.